Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the WORKPRO scraper blade, and as you know, as you get through these things, they start getting dull and whatever like that, and you need new blades. So we have a pack of 100, eventually here, if I can take it out of here. Yes, this is it here. We have 100 replacement blades. So these are the same WORKPRO blades as it comes with here. So I'll show you guys what one of the blades looks like. I'm just gonna take it out of the back. So these are the blades, you know, just a standard straight blade, single-sided, and it lets you do your scraping needs and everything else, so it's good. And these ones here, the WORKPRO ones, I've been using their stuff for a while. It's got that edge, that's great, and seems to be good. And I use them, you know, with 100 blades, I'll be able to scrape some stickers off of a single car and then throw it away and get a new blade. So got lots of extra blades. So this is a great little set here. So if you need some extra razor blades, I would recommend these ones here. These are good. They're sharp and work good. Thumbs up for sure.